99% of people don't know that. A banana that has turned black has magical properties for skin, hair, and joints. It turns your time back like a time machine and you experience youth and health again. Can you believe me if I say that it is a rejuvenating face mask, anti-blemish, and serum that stimulates hair follicles and regrowth and fights graying of hair, and is a very strong booster for your hair roots? And with this combination, you can make a shampoo that keeps your hair fresh for a week and there is no smell of oil on your head, loss, or itching. A complete defense barrier is created against free radicals and anything that may harm your skin and hair. Most importantly, one of the strongest antitoxins is obtained with the pulp left behind, which alone guarantees complete health. Welcome to the Healthy Lifestyle and Natural Skin Routine channel. Now before we start, first pause the video for a moment and subscribe to the channel and see what kind of practical content I create for you. Did you see my playlist? I am sure that those of you who respect the earth and the environment and follow natural healing methods understand how much energy I have put into producing and uploading my videos. I have only one request. To my dear ones all over the world, please support me by subscribing to the channel, sharing the video links with your friends, and commenting and interacting in the comments section. I appreciate you all. Let's do some magic together. I did this recipe with 4 bananas. You can even do it with 1 banana that is slightly blackened. I peeled the banana because the skin is used for a separate recipe and the inside of the banana is for a separate formula. Make sure my bananas were clean and washed after I peeled them. I divided the banana peel into smaller parts and mashed the soft inner part with the help of a potato masher. Now I want to explain a little about the properties of bananas and their function in these recipes. Here I will tell you that blackened bananas have unique properties that you should not neglect to consume. Apparently spoiled and blackened bananas have more properties than healthy and yellow bananas. The black spots on healthy bananas contain a type of protein that helps reduce the growth of tumor and cancer cells. Bananas are high in fiber. In addition, they have more fiber, which is beneficial for maintaining a healthy body. Black spotted bananas are full of potassium, which is miraculously effective for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and can be very effective in preventing strokes and heart attacks. So be sure to use it in your diet. The interesting thing is that not only eating it, but also using the skin and blackened bananas saves you from muscle pain and rheumatism and is a powerful rejuvenator, anti-spot, and skin whitening agent. A stimulant for increasing hair growth and anti-hair loss and strengthening damaged and coarse hair. Nature is a true miracle worker. Just enter its world. The second ingredient we use is red onion. Its color is important. Be careful. We do the same for the onion as we do for the banana. Both its outer skin and its edible core are used in the recipe. At this stage, we peel the red onion and separate it and add it to the container where I put the banana skin. We put it on the heat along with a glass of water, and after 20 minutes, when the juice comes out, we remove it from the heat and wait a little for it to reach room temperature. In the meantime, we can puree the soft part of the banana with a potato masher or any other tool. Bananas are one of the most popular and delicious fruits on earth. You probably agree that anything made with bananas tastes amazing. Bananas are available in different parts of the world in a variety of colors and sizes. Bananas are rich in vitamins and minerals, and because of this, they can enhance the health of the body in various ways. Benefits of bananas for skin. Not much research has been done on how bananas benefit the skin. However, it is said that bananas can be beneficial for the skin for various reasons. Below, we will mention the benefits of bananas for the skin. Moisturizes the skin. Bananas are a natural moisturizer for the skin. The vitamin A present in this fruit restores the lost moisture of the skin and repairs dry, damaged, and dull skin. If your skin is extremely dry and flaky, Using a recipe that uses ripe and blackened bananas is a surefire cure for your problem. Makes your skin glow. Bananas contain a good amount of vitamin C, which helps maintain skin radiance. Fighting skin aging is another benefit of bananas. The nutrients in bananas help fight wrinkles and keep your skin youthful. You can make an anti-aging face mask with ripe bananas, which is rich in vitamins A and E. Banana nutrients fight free radicals and repair the damage caused by them. Helps remove dead skin cells. We can also include skin exfoliation in the list of banana benefits. Bananas are rich in antioxidants and are useful in removing dead skin cells. Apart from exfoliating the skin, bananas also help in brightening the skin. Use a ripe banana mask to exfoliate your skin. Helps treat acne. You can use banana peels to treat acne. After mashing the banana, I add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. Powdered milk contains B vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin D, and minerals such as calcium and zinc, which are essential for skin health. These nutrients help repair damaged skin cells, strengthen the skin's protective barrier, and improve skin texture. And after mixing, I cut a juicy lemon the size of a walnut and add its juice to my mixture to increase skin whitening, and finally add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Friends, these proportions are for 4 bananas. If you have 1 banana, divide the proportions by 4 yourself. I give you good news. By subscribing to this channel, you will gain access to a world of natural and practical recipes, and your problem will be solved and treated without much expense, in principle and with scientific fact. If you write your needs in the comments section, I will produce content. We also add 2 vitamin E to the mixture. To make it more uniform, we mix it with a blender for 5 minutes. I give this mask a 10 out of 10 because it provides all the needs for having attractive, young, and fresh skin. I pour it into a container and close it. We apply it to clean skin 3 times a week for 25 minutes and then wash it with lukewarm water. Be sure to keep the mask in the refrigerator, and its shelf life is 10 days. If you have any questions, be sure to write in the comments section. What does this mask do to our skin? In short, a natural moisturizer and emollient that strengthens and softens the skin. A gentle exfoliator and brightener that helps reduce blemishes and dark spots. Rich in vitamin C that brightens and disinfects the skin, reduces acne and blemishes. Be careful not to cause sensitivity. A powerful antioxidant to repair the skin, prevent dryness, and protect against environmental damage. Rich in lactic acid that gently exfoliates and brightens and softens the skin. Xenotation Spot makes your skin soft, bright, and clear. Xenotation Spot provides deep hydration and nourishment. Xenotation Spot helps reduce the appearance of blemishes and acne scars. Xenotation Spot repairs the skin with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Just make sure to use sunscreen after the mask because lemon makes the skin sensitive to light. I make a special cream myself and then use it, which I will show you. If you like it, leave a comment. I will definitely post a tutorial on the cream. Would you like me to produce content for you on how to use it or other similar masks? By interacting and leaving your comments, I will understand what style you like, and I will make it for you with love. Just don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The second ingredient I announced was red onion. We peeled it and left it with banana peel to prepare it for the special shampoo. Next, I will use a grater to grate onion juice and mash it. And I also need the pulp to make a detoxifying mixture and remove toxins from the soles of the feet and treat heel spurs. Scientific studies show that onion juice helps reduce hair loss in several ways. Onions are rich in sulfur, which is an essential element for the body. Sulfur is found in amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins. Proteins, especially keratin, which is rich in sulfur, are important for healthy hair. When we massage the scalp with onion juice, the sulfur needed to strengthen the hair roots is provided, and therefore the likelihood of hair loss is reduced. In addition, the sulfur present in onions plays a key role in the production of collagen, and collagen, in turn, helps in the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. Onion juice is also believed to be effective in enhancing local blood circulation. Using onion juice on the hair and scalp can increase blood supply to the hair follicles, which in turn improves hair growth. When combined with aloe vera gel, it becomes the best hair serum, a serum that very expensive brands with this recipe, with stylish packaging for thousands of dollars, hold as a special sale for regrowing lost hair with very special advertisements. You will disappear and have healthy hair and only know that by using that brand. Whereas now, with this recipe, you will get 10 times more use and receive, only with the cost of an onion and bananas that have been in the refrigerator for a long time. The miracle of nature and the use of natural materials will be more effective for you. I just want you to understand and touch this. After combining onion juice and a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, it's time to add 20 drops of pure rosemary oil for greater strength, strengthening and accelerating the growth of your hair, my dear readers. Then, in a special container that you can easily spray, mix the explosive growth mixture and transfer it to the roots and strands of your hair before bathing and massage it. Leave it for about an hour, that's enough.
ساعت چنده؟
همین الان بخوابی.
Let's go to the third recipe and make it, which is a magical shampoo for damaged, very weak, and split hair. It soothes the scalp and treats flaking and itching. We put banana peels and onion peels in water, put them on heat, and the juice came out. Then we mix them with a blender or mixer, and then we pass them through a fine mesh cloth. In all the recipes on this channel, every single material, even their waste, is used. Ladies, especially those over 40, listen carefully. All the recipes on this channel will keep you at the same age and even younger. What could be better than this? After we pass it through the strainer, we add the pulp to the onion pulp. Just in case you were paying attention, I didn't get the onion juice completely, and 20% of the juice remained on the onion pulp. We mixed the uniform mixture that I strained and mixed it with baby shampoo in a ratio of 4:1. That is, the bottle you considered, and divided it into 5 parts and fill it with 1 part shampoo and 4 parts hair strengthening mixture. Stir the ingredients in the glass bottle or whatever you have with your hand. If you take a bath every day and have to shampoo, this is the best option for you. On the other hand, onion strengthens the hair very much and gives you silky hair that looks like you did keratin. Itchy scalp, dandruff, and excessive dryness are all treated. It is amazing when you use the hair serum that I taught you a little earlier and use it with this shampoo. Even the hair that had fallen out before comes back. Half of the mixture was used for shampoo and the other half, and with it we will make a collagen mask and a very gentle exfoliator and pore cleanser and brightener and remove darkness and a very strong anti-stain and a whole bunch of other properties. I mix and transfer it to a container that we can put on heat. And I add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and stir. Then I put it on low heat until the starch becomes creamy, collects itself, and gains consistency. It takes about 15 minutes to reach this stage that I described. Then transfer it to the mask container, which is preferably a glass or transparent container with a lid. Stir the mixture continuously until the cornstarch does not form lumps and the mixture is smooth. After it is ready, pour it into a container with a lid, and now it is time to add 20 drops of tea tree oil. And stir thoroughly. Congratulations, you have prepared one of the most valuable skin masks. Friends, have you subscribed to the channel? Be sure to type your opinions and suggestions in the comments section for me. I entrust you to God Almighty and hope you are happy and healthy. I promise that by subscribing to my channel, I will provide you with all the practical content and instructions based on up-to-date science.
Konuşalım, evet.